Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Today we're heading off to Ajan. We're going to take a look at Len's 1961 dual cab bus restoration. Plenty of work to do on it, but it's come a long way, so let's head off and take a look.
Oh, come on, you knob.
Open the fucking door.
This is an old Willys Jeep. We actually looked at buying this a little while ago and doing the restoration out of here at Ajan. It'd be kind of cool if we restored that and then slammed it on the ground. It seems to have all the plates and everything with it. I think Nadim's got all the panels. Obviously needs a shed load of work, but it is all there. Last time we were here, this bay window was out on the street. It's now in the shop, getting restored, stripped down. Dash looks pretty good.
So I told you
Sunroof.
not to assemble it because
Ian's tank's in the shop. Must be getting some work done on it. Not sure what, but the tank is here. Green bus hiding away. So we're here with Len's bus. We haven't had the opportunity to look underneath it before. It's had a fair few panels replaced. As you can see, it's still got some rust repair underneath that needs fixing up. But the bus has really come along a really long way. Literally when Len got this bus, the only thing that wasn't rusty in it was the needle on the speedometer. That really coming along really nicely. It's looking good.
looking good. I'm gonna when they finish, I'm gonna marry these two boys. They're gonna bear my children.
So the nose clip's on. Doors are here as well. Got those from VW. Roof here. So I think we can see the guys have done a really good job beating out the roof to make it smooth. That looks nice. Take a look on the inside here. It's come such a long, long way. Rear of the bus there. Len's new parts for the back seat of the dual cab. I guess they'll get fitted fairly soon. Here's the back side of it. You see still a little bit on the roof, there's some rust repair to do, but this is it's nothing compared to what it had done previously. So this is one of our friend's cars who's restoring it. It's a Mercedes 220. It's currently getting all the paint stripped off it. It's got loads of rust repair to do. Interior's out, all stripped out there. Getting paint stripped now. This is going to be painted Mercedes Brilliant Black. I think it's got a set of BBS RS wheels ready to go on it. Redo all the chrome. Hopefully back on the road by probably September, October. So let's see how she turns out. We'll try and keep some updates coming on this car about the design and how it's going to look.
Really cracking on now with this. Nadim's got a master denter in. It was work miracles, you know, it was slowly, but all the tiny stuff takes the time. But now this boy is surging along. So today we're going to try fit the rear wheel arches, the floors in, divider panel. I've just delivered the pedestal for the rear seat, which just needs to be assembled. He's making a lot of noise. Fucking grinding machine.
Everything.
Okay.
Same cloth.
Yeah.
Same size like this. So
That's good.
if he agrees, then
So this is the original roof, and it originally was quite damaged, but I couldn't find anyone who does a double cab roof. So there was no point in getting a big roof, small roof. So Nadeem and his boys have worked miracles again, and this is good to go now. Very good. We've changed, the new Safari windows are on their way, like everything. Front clips in, divider panels in, floors in, doors are put together and fitted. Everything's good. Okay, I'm going to show you this now because I think within the next 10 minutes it will have completely returned to its natural state of earth or shite or something. And here we have, this is where the fuel tank would have sat and gone out through there. This is the tube for the gear shift and the cross beams. I think we could probably save that, don't you? So there's the underside, the new floors in, the front tubs, the floor, and you can see it's a little bit different to the original one. We've replaced the main chassis members as far as where the support is for the engine and the gearbox. And like I said before, we're going to try fit the rear tubs today and get it all ground down and cleaned up, ready to put the epoxy primer on.
When's the epoxy primer going on?
Saturday? I don't know, ask Mr. Nadeem, he's the boss. Actually, no, he's the boss. He's boss. I tell you, he's gonna bear my children. I love him so much. So we got the rear wings here. Do we call them wings, Nadeem? What do we call them? The rear panels over the wheels. It'll be exciting. Yeah. And yet when you fit these, you have to make sure that you keep the seam between that and the rear corner. That is a must. I actually bought these panels before the old king died, and we finally got around to dusting the dust off them. Chubby time.
Just popped outside the shop because the guys are grinding and they're paint stripping and doing all kinds of stuff inside, so I thought we'd come out, take a bit of a breather. There's always something to see outside. These poor things rotting away out in the sun. That big old American car would look fun if it was restored. What's the size of that monster? Beetle's seen better days. Stripped down and parts cut off it for God knows what has happened here. Baja's still hanging around. I have to check with Nadeem what work that needs on it. Might remember we picked this bus up from Airworks, must be a couple of weeks ago now, nearly probably a month. The engine's back together, so the engine's just waiting to go back in. Everything looks great on it now, so the engine should purr like a dream. It's just always interesting to see what cars they have out here. Always just a massive collection.
Right, I hope we're not on to an epic fail, comedy gold, twisted double cab bus situation here. Here we are. This is what's called the poor man's rotisserie. Oh, shake it till something falls off.
Hello? How are you?
Here we go.
Is get Rob to show us how he spins his.
Yeah.
Comparison
Yeah.
on.
Hey Newman, you lightweight, are you watching this? This is not a rotisserie, it's a man's rotisserie. Here we go. Look at that. It's better than sex. Oh. Here we go. What's he saying? Hey, it's fucking hell. Is it supposed to look like a corkscrew? Hey, well done.
It looks a picture.
It looks what?
It looks a picture with all the cameras on it now.
Yeah. I got some bad news. It's
Just
upside down.
Just lining
It's upside down.
It's upside down.
up the body.
Oh, we thought about it.
Yeah, it's upside down.
Just a minute. Then don't take it.
Well, we're back from Ajan. Porsche's been parked in Len's garage. Bus here. and the Beetle at the back there. So we're going to head off home now. Got to get the Porsche washed because it's a right old mess, and fill it with fuel, and we'll go from there. Well, we're finished for today. We looked at lens burst. The restoration seems to be going great. We're going to head off home now. It's getting hot now in Dubai. Not as hot as usual, but it is hot. So we'll catch you with a new video soon. See you later, guys.